Do you feel nervous or insecure in front of others? Do you doubt yourself before even trying? If yes, you are not alone. The good news is self-confidence can be built, and today I'll show you how. Let's begin. First, practice self-awareness. Know your strengths and weaknesses. When you understand yourself, you stop comparing with others and start trusting your abilities. Second, set small achievable goals. Start with small tasks and achieve them. Each success, no matter how small, boosts your confidence. Third, positive self-talk. Replace I can't with I can try or I will learn. Your mind believes what you repeatedly tell it. Fourth, improve your body language. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and smile. Your body communicates confidence even before your words do. Fifth, face your fears. Confidence grows when you step out of your comfort zone, do things that scare you gradually, and celebrate each small victory. Sixth, learn and improve skills. Knowledge and competence build confidence naturally. The more capable you feel, the more confident you become. Seventh, surround yourself with positive people. People influence your mindset. Stay close to those who support and motivate you, and distance yourself from negativity. Eighth, take care of your appearance. Dress neatly and maintain hygiene. When you look good, you feel good, and confidence follows naturally. Ninth, practice gratitude. Focus on what you have, not what you lack. Gratitude shifts your mindset from insecurity to appreciation. And finally, consistency is key. Confidence is not built overnight. Practice these steps daily, and soon you'll notice a strong and lasting self-belief. So if you want to build self-confidence, know yourself, set goals, speak positively, face fears, improve skills, surround with positivity. Take care of yourself, be consistent. Your confident self is waiting. Start today.